Hi, my friend. This is the model for today. Very interesting. And this is the drawing. We start with creating this contour here with the length of 86. Other dimensions are here. This part has the number 33 and it's a part from my collection of 100 mechanical parts. New empty document. Take a look of this workbench and select CAD, not Blender, because we create mechanical parts. New sketch, XZ plane, circle with diameter of 68, then a polyline starting from this point to the right, down and back to the circle. Let's see if we have contact. Yes, we have. Tangent here. Trim this segment and other dimensions. This is 9 and this is 75 minus 15. We apply fillet between these two entities with a radius 5. You see, we have a fully constrained sketch and we apply pad or extrusion symmetric with dimension of 86. Now we want to place this cylinder with diameter of 32, distance of 45 from the center. To do this, we select the plane XY and we apply datum plane. Then we select this y-axis to apply 45 degrees. Then we use this plane for a new sketch. View inside, circle, diameter of 32, close. We apply extrude on 45 and we select the other direction, reversed. Okay, no datum plane and we see here this extension. Good. On this face we apply a hole of 50 close, pocket through all. Okay. Now we apply this thread of metric 18 with a pitch of 1.5. We turn the part, we apply circle and close. Then hole of metric fine profile to select metric 18 with 1.5. Then we apply dimension of 45 to the mid of this cylinder. Then threaded, model thread. Okay, there is a time now, and you see the real thread inside this part. Now we create this triangle, which is not an equilateral triangle. Be careful with dimensions here, and we start by placing that contour on the mid plane of this 9 millimeters. We select this plane, datum plane, and minus 9 divided by 2. Okay, this is the plane for a new sketch. See inside, and we draw a polyline. A polyline, vertical on the axis and back to the start. These three sides must be filleted. These two, and these two, equal to this and this, to this and this, to this and this. Dimensions, this is radius 8. Then here is a distance of 72. Because of equality here and this point on the axis, we have a symmetry. Another distance is this point to this face, to this side. This is 71 minus 8. One degree of freedom is the placement. You see, we can move all this on the horizontal. The distance is from this line to this center of 75 minus 15 minus 8. Dimensions are in the drawing. Okay, close, and pad or extrusion, symmetric of 14. Okay, datum plane to be hidden. Next is this cylinder with diameter of 32 and depth or height of 3. We select this face, new sketch, circle on the axis, dimension is 32 The distance is 75. Okay, close. We apply extrude of 3 millimeters. Okay. Then here is a hole of 20. We select this face, new sketch, circle, but let me project this circle, and now a circle of 20. Close and pocket through all. Okay, this is the diameter of 20, and now we have to place these 3 holes with diameter of 8. This face, new sketch, project, 1, 2, 3 arcs, then circles of 8 and 3 points. They are equal, this with this, this with this. Close. Pocket all the 3 holes to be through all. Okay. Now you see the result of this nice part, and that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.